Hi, this is how you use the scheduling feature in Stack Studio. So I've written a post here that is ready to be published. However, I would like it to come out at a time when I know my copiers or followers are the most active. I can then pick a platform, so eToro, and I then use the scheduling dialog. And let's say I would like it to come out on Monday at noon. So let me review it. It will show up with bold and italic formatting. And we can see it has also found the tickets that I've tagged automatically. And it of course includes the image. So I then press schedule and it will show up on the content manager page. And we can see here that it's being scheduled. So this helps me be organized on my posts, and I don't have to worry about this one anymore. It will be posted automatically.